Now, this video is special not because of something that's in it, but because of the things which are missing, and you will hear no background music. Now, for some of my other nature mini documentaries, I'm using background music from online royalty-free music sites, which are often quite good, but I'm always trying to do something more creative and more interesting. So if you are a friend of mine, a musician, and you are interested in doing a collaboration, and you wanna put one of your tracks on one of my videos, Everybody Wins, then please get in touch. Now, I've done things like this before, very nice stuff together with my friend Paul Min, who was covering a Jimi Hendrix tune about catfish, and guess what? The video had footage of catfish. And the footage you see here is footage I shot with my new DJI Neo drone, which is a really cool gadget for the filmmaker. So I'm hoping to shoot more of that in the coming weeks and months. And well, maybe there's some backgrounds to that which are your tunes. Let me know, and see you soon.